Omwishimia wana wakora. Mimi competitor ya wongi bagendi. Numonyale. Unaba the ground higa.
I did my research. And I want to tell you without betting an eyelid, without scientifically. And I'll challenge any Kenyan of goodwill. Mugitutu Ndobwens, his performance in terms of development has been negligible. Yani negligible. That attach the lives of the people who elected him. I elected him. I voted him. My entire family, my friends, my villagers, we voted for him. Overwhelmingly voted for him. But his performance has been dismal. Dismal. Yes. And you cannot take developments and put it in your pocket. For instance, bono anyekero ororo iko kama hakuna hakuna. Kama iko barabara 1 kilometer ya tarmac iko. Toko bisa. Toko nyeringa. Toko linge kilometer paro biko mubuko. Hakuna. It can't. Yeah, it can't. Yeah. We know where his strengths lie. Every Kenyan knows. Strength chiaka ichire. Yeah. But not in development. The other day, I said, cheap bursary, chiane, 15,000 minimum. 15,000 minimum. Kama ni mbaya, tuta operate at 10,000 shillings. Kibiasinya. Lakini my vision, itakuwa 15. It's public knowledge. It's 5K.
5K.
1500. Ntebi 1500 nkikera akora. Genda bono igo umuke mwana koire skuru. Umwana koire skuru orangeri ku Narok. Ugende. Ure basari. So ubwate chibese ekyo ure principal. Mote na arete chibwisana. Ese family ere entaka yogotaka. Chibwisana. What is that?
Isano choka kana?
Yeah.
Nomo itenga bampiga abakwana chibesa wepi. Arama bana 22,500.
Arama? How much?
22,500.
Okay, you have told me. I even didn't know. Arama wena Arama MP Nakuru wena na 22,500. He had an MP for South Africa, gose Nigeria, gose Morocco.
Nakuru Kenya.
Nakuru Kenya. Are they in the same parliament? Kuna parliament of Kenya, gose another parliament. So when I talk, got a want to buy 15,000 shillings minimum. Omanya kombekera, of course, a strength chiae kutusi. Umbekera abantu wananitusi korumambi paka maragoba. Ntema ni sawa. Nchikurigeria asabandama. Usarama nero. Nchikurigeria busubwane na mangana alibandama naro tinkorora. Igo nteba mna tinkumura mabaka. Igo. Njengo kwa na mangana lifting kuinua maisha ya wananchi wa Kitutu South.
Igo basari ya 15,000 ndicho cha.
Ebon.
Ichiake ya 10.
Ebon. Yani ikiwa ni mbaya, toto mna yani abana baetire abaichire nini, the population is gone high because nitatumia criteria. A criteria. First of all, Yangu established what we call ward development committees.
Okay.
Ward development committees now with the help of assistant chiefs and elders na muchiki when to go basari muchiki otaye toko nyoro muchi na nkora chi basari chikoegwa chinas clinic officers abande principals of schools abande wafanya biashara baye guchi basari
umuntu mutaka
uma kwa 5,000 umongi no ko ni chingeni daraja 2 obwate working capital
garanyora
ubwate working capital ya shilingi 500 akugure chingeni ga daraja 2 aoni anyora 200 shinde kama kwa 1,500 kama nya kubwata umwalimu ore member of mwalimu sako oko apply for a school fees loan or apply for development loan or apply for emergency loan or enda no ne bank anyora kama nya kwa naira 5,000 kwa umongino kwa 5,000 equity which criteria are you using? You must use a criteria. Ekonya abantu balense. Bursaries are meant for the people who are economically balenze, uchumi hali yao maisha iko chini.
Ngoigu kibage ndio rose chi school chabe kruchi fence class. Iko magandra abatetenze. Make man.
That's a very sensitive matter. And I expect a lot of reaction. Genda Nyankongo Primary School. Yere school maka. Oligerie igento kebe kiroro. Aba isi kwanza babutoire chikwerende chyo chicken wae chyo. Babutoire ba isi bakoli. Oligerie uri none geita. Umanya konte. Some things speak for themselves. Ngetinda tiko okora kene gionsi. Lakini onde bwensi Oromo Kenya, Oromo Gusii, nama ata mangano bwagache. Bagende baligireri. Nakikinda kwa. Yeah.
That's okay. Bono ngwe matanga akogenda sana. Iko nale n'abantu ange.
Matenja matanga. Amatanga na chira mange. Tari gotoka. Normally yanko igu na mugambia kale asigete mugambia kare asigete Anjango rachiri wisa tagutanga injabono injeke muntu umate ananitanga kemuntu kemuntu keri kebwate kioteli koni ebinda injengo operate minimum kera naenda amatangara amangi wisa.
Okay.
Of course yabu na arorera ngakia umurabaito bombo iga bako gendanka ngaki pastor use priest ko gendanka nanya go operate at that rate. Ono mpaka abantu batana ekara umuntu yakwe mukaiga batana ekara ruwa chiru cya bisato. I'm not making, that's a reality. Yeah, that's a reality. Yeah. Yeah, that's a reality. On the way and see or Kitutu Church South. Anaweza kukubaliana na mimi.
Okay.
Yeah. Ande tindi kwa yule nkumurama no ngoko tebi egento nko observe. Nko observe the latest matanga nabo ate ali sobo getikia kanisa ya Bururu. Na igwete na ina twikaranstega na no muntu yate na iga ntoma yateta gasi nyinga bate Nairobi bino abana orange bagukwana. Abwate na ande kuroro mate akaruchuru buchi ahisato.
Ngataji di matanga asike juchika stage ronero.
Yeah.
Igatalo gocha matanga.
Yeah.
Alafu chiribule kako.
Yeah. Yeah, it's common knowledge.
Okay.
Ntubone bimonte bikemna ntupiko ni bindasi. Tomenya kuru double. Gitoko rende ande ngwakera abagusi ose support bangete. Ikere bindasi ebimo gocha nande na bingocha na irani ya samatanga. Igoga kingote abantu bamintomna asanti sana. Ese support ne biasare mokonga mocha atonyako nyakone bindasi birende kinabe kiruororende nanjine
banyore bindasi
bindasi ebyo ni sawa umuntu ka bono engamna bono ncha umuntu oliyo bwate koncinge ni gali oretre tongoro ya samatanga mocha no umuntu no koni obongeni tari cingeni obongeni
akangira gako
obongeni yeah, but ni sawa ni maisha na ni kiongozi wangu
igeke maneno gotebanga esababu lisho kwira kibagendika namagenda tegokora
zero development
antu bakibagenda njumonte ngokora muri amagendero agarabona yekereka tukwane aso no mugabe
tigaba tare umayete anye ne school kwa gachire umayete the other day na keliogi wansire kwa gache gorofa ga nyambera so I'm waiting agacha gorofa nyambera yenda promise Nyankongo nanda abantu banyankongo mbamaete board ya Nyankongo mbamaete abari mbamaete nero tiganye agache ne school atankwa agachare gorofa tigagache lakini rende gaki performance yaye kiara twaisire gweka end of term ya njaba yabirense
ndobate matiang kurusia na kioroche wevya no chonyara no dirne
maete abagusi bakwanire ekimane kyanya sa mate we cannot bury our heads in the sand. Abagusi currently abagotena na abam litoroli abo na libam na lirabe litoroli abo matiangi bagoteba bono iga naende ekemani kia Nyasaye nkwane bono muna omogusi nkeri na ase koba muna nere ochoriru a presidential candidate for the opposition abagusi abange weka babwati mkondo ega kikemani you know we have to speak the facts the way they are inere ordo yeah
nere bako
inere ground umate we do research. I'm a politician. The good thing is I've been in government for many years and I know how to do ama kuuliza mtu afanye scientific research. Scientific research out of every 10 abagusi 10 abakonyora batana ari torore ne byeto. Na bere.
Wa